Hello, ILW0099 is here, and the excuse me. Today I'll do the unboxing of a welcome to the NHK S.A.V.E edition from Funimation. I ordered it like 2 weeks ago, and I just got it today, basically. Yeah, so here's the parcel. Here's the parcel, and it's pretty. I ordered it from Chapters in Canada, so yeah, well, it's free. It's free shipping, so well, I need to understand that. I guess it's pretty crap, but whatever. All right, so. Wait. Well, so. Man, that sucks. Okay. Alright, so here's the thing, and just wait for a second. I'll open this thing up. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh. Excuse me, guys. So, here's the here's the shipping parcel. Here's the one, and yes, I got this one. I got the receipt here, and that's it. Okay. So here's the S.A.V.E edition, and here's the Welcome to the NHK S.A.V.E edition complete series, and the is a bind behind. Yeah, it's behind. There's nothing there, basically. Only textless songs and trailers. Yeah, that's about it. And here's the picture. Okay. And let's see. Okay, so sorry, there's no tripod in my house, so I'm a little bit having a problem right now. Okay, so okay, receipt. Here's the cover, opening. Here you go, here's the cover, back, again, form, the form, image source. Holy crap, they have a second. Oh Jesus. Okay, anyways, more stuff. More stuff. And the game commercials. And it's the ad for the new Funimation homepage. It's another save. Again, source again. Episode. Disc 1 to 6, disc 2 7 to 12, 3 13 to 18, 4 19 to 24, disc 1, disc 2, disc 3, and disc 4. Picture again. Yep, that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. And the about the quality, you know, I bought the big one the last time, and the quality was a how can I explain this? Quality is like the quality is exactly the same from what you are how can I explain what you are like guys are usually watch on the illegal streaming sites or Funimation.com streaming sites. Yeah, it's the same quality, so it's not better, it's not worse, it's the same. Just promise me, it's just same quality. So if you want to buy it, well, you can buy it, but if you don't want to buy it because the quality is not great, well, I cannot blame you on that, because as I said, it's same apparently. So okay, so 2 3 1 and 4 picture. So this is it. Yeah, this was the welcome to the NHK S.A.V.E. edition from Funimation, and have a nice day.